Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to connect YouTube music to your Garmin device. Many Garmin wearables offer fantastic music playback capabilities, allowing you to enjoy your favorite tunes on the go. However, it's important to know that YouTube music isn't directly integrated with Garmin. This means we'll need a slightly different approach to get your playlists onto your watch. Don't worry, it's a straightforward process, and I'll guide you through each step to ensure you can enjoy your music seamlessly. To begin, you'll need a YouTube Music Premium subscription. This is essential because it allows you to download your favorite songs, albums, and playlists directly to your computer. Once you have your premium access, simply select the music you wish to transfer and download it. Make sure the files are in a compatible format, such as MP3, which is widely supported by Garmin devices. This step ensures your music is ready for the next stage of transfer. Now that your music is downloaded, let's get it onto your Garmin device. First, connect your Garmin watch to your computer using its dedicated USB cable. Your computer should recognize the device as a removable drive. Open the Garmin folder, and you'll typically find a music folder inside. Simply drag and drop your downloaded MP3 files from your computer directly into this music folder. This process usually takes just a few moments, depending on how many songs you are transferring. Once all your music files have been successfully transferred, safely disconnect your Garmin device from your computer. Now, you're ready to enjoy your tunes. Navigate to the music controls on your Garmin watch, which are usually accessible from the main menu or through a quick access button. From there, you can browse your newly added music, select a playlist or song, and begin playback through your connected Bluetooth headphones. Enjoy your personalized soundtrack during your next activity.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.